probably the size of like a... Okay, very good. Alright, so let us get to... Alright, let's get to it. I think you'll be fine. At your discretion. There you go. I trust you. Oh, yes. Can you do the honors, good sir? Beautiful. Call that the power of friendship. Okay. Beautiful. Nice and warm. Alright, get up.
Thanks. Dude, got that nudo again, like that, and the spam again. You do. Oh, sorry, it's okay. I'll eat that one.
Get a little crazy.
Down.